now that I've lost everything to you. You say you wanna start something new, and it's breaking my heart you're leaving. Baby, I'm grieving. And if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you have a lot of nice things to wear, and a lot of nice things turn back out there. Oh, ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. I'll always remember you like a child girl. You know I've seen a lot of what the world can do, and it's breaking my heart in two. Guess I never wanna see you sad, girl. Don't be a bad girl, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there. Just remember there's a lot of bad out, beware. Oh, ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. I'll always remember you like a child girl. La 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 la, sha la 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 la, la 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 la. Baby, I love you, but if you wanna leave, take good care. Hope you make a lot of nice friends out there. Just remember there's a lot of bad out, beware. Ooh, ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just upon a smile. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. I'll always remember you.
Guys, how you doing? Winny is busy. Today we explore a little bit about the Tabanan area, especially
Yes.
Tabanan coast area.
Tabanan is where I am originally from, where I was born. So this is
Your
my
hometown.
place, my hometown.
Yes.
So yeah, we will explore how the coast in Tabanan, and the famous beach in Tabanan is Gangga Beach. So yes, now we are in Gangga Beach.
Yeah, I will show you guys around a few shots like always, and later we will have some drinks.
Now we will see.
Yeah, we will
And then
see.
there is a new hotel just built.
Yes, this new hotel over there. I will show you guys now. Alright, we will go to different place, to one secret beach. Not really secret, kinda secret.
Well, actually, that's just next door. Still
Next door,
Gangga Beach.
because it's so hot and it's so sunny and it's too hot just to have a drink yet. So we will come back here and we will go first to the another part of the beach.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, I fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Yeah, you pull me up Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this.
So we are on one of the secret beaches, as you saw on the road. Very nice, so many local people driving crazily here by the ATVs, enduro bikes, so it's not as only I'm driving fast in Bali. Oh guys, so that's how it is, right Sayang?
Yeah. Well, actually that I was scared a little bit when Damian driving and passing the small river, actually river going to the ocean. And then I just decided, okay, I just jump off the bike and then I let Damian drive by himself.
I have over 200,000 kilometers experience driving in Bali, guys. This is more than most of the Balinese people itself. And this is my own personal bike, before you're gonna blame me as I'm driving on the salt water. So that's my bike and I can do whatever I want.
Mostly, you know, the rumors that whenever the tourists coming to Bali and they rent the bike and then they drive silly. But Damian, he owned his bike, so I bought him his bike, his NMAX, some time ago.
And if it will be broken because of salt water, that's my personal problem. But before you ask, we just informed you. Anyway, I think it's quite cool over here. It's so sunny.
Let's see over there, there is a waterfall, beautiful waterfall.
Yeah, we will go there.
I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me reckless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this.
So this waterfall is just next to the beach actually, and it's the one of the kinda hidden spots in this area. And I could say, as Winny's first time here, could you believe that? I asked her, Sayang, do you wanna go around? Yeah, let's go. What is there? I will show you. I know this place. She didn't know.
Yeah, well actually that I don't know. I was You know, I never been here to be honest.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah.
You like it?
I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? It only took one kiss to know that you're everything I need, everything I need. So tell me now, because I just have to know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Your hair, and now you always wear denim. Yeah, everything about you is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? So do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Oh, all I need is you. Hey. Oh, yeah. 'Cause all I need, 'cause all I need is you.
Alright, so we just exit the beach and we found a very nice, very country road, beautiful rice
Yeah,
fields,
so-
area.
Well, actually, that I was so scared before, you know, when the bike just going inside, almost inside the sand. But this is okay.
You have to have experience driving on the beach because this heavy and everything is, you can very easily to fall down.
Behind us here is beautiful rice paddies. Wow, it's like just
Amazing!
amazing.
This is very nice. This is Tabanan area. Actually, it's quite far outside the Tabanan area into the west. Very nice.
Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. You, when I'm with you. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Your high heels on, and I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine.
We arrived to the famous Pasut beach. This is already very local area, not many tourists coming here. Not many people know about this place, and the life here is completely different. As behind me, as you hear the sound, that's the kids are racing on the beach. So many people crazily driving on the beach. This is what that's how it is. This is the culture of the west part of the Bali. And we're gonna show you one famous spot here with the beautiful palm trees, right there?
Yeah.
And that thing will be enough, but first we will show you the place.
See? No helmet. Look at this one. Look how they race. Alright, so behind me over there, this is the most Instagrammable spot whenever you come to Bali, and then you see that the coconut with the pandanus leaf behind, and then you take a picture with your partner. So this is the part.
This is this place. This is the spot.
So here is in the Pantai Pasut in the west part of Yehganga beach. As you see also, when you hear like loud voice, actually that they are the kids, the local kids are doing a bike scooter racing here.
Something like that, like what I showed you and told before. Okay, so our trip from the having a drink on the beach transferred into exploring Tabanan area and driving on the beaches and on the countryside roads. I hope so you enjoy it. And like always, thank you so much for watching. New vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time. So something new tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you tomorrow, guys.
Bye!
See ya.
You close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I